welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Jabra Elite 65T pair of true wireless earphones. Now on the front side of the packaging, we can see the name of the product as well as huge images of the actual true wireless earbuds. On the bottom, they've highlighted three features. The first being that it has a 4-microphone enhanced sound. Secondly, you can customize your music using an equalizer. And third, it's got proven wireless connection. So that's more to do with the robustness of the wireless connectivity. On the right hand side, we can see a more detailed image of the product in its case. And on the left hand side, you can see a little slogan. Coming to the back, we've got a couple of additional features. Some of these we've already seen, the first three on the front side. Aside from that, these things give you 5 hours of battery life on one charge, and if you consider the case, then that goes up to 15 hours. You get 2 years of dust and water resistance warranty. They've got 2 asterisks right next to it, so there's additional notes that you should consider. And lastly, it's got voice assistants enabled, so you can use them with the iPhone or the Android ecosystem, and you can use the voice assistants on either of those. There's nothing on the top. On the bottom, you have some legalese and declarations. So let's just go ahead with the unboxing. It's a massive yellow case and little tab to pull the insides out. Once you do that, you've got a little message on the top. Then you've got the accessory box, the case, as well as the 2 earbuds. There's nothing underneath the plastic packaging. So we'll take this out, come back to the accessory box. On the inside, we have additional ear tips. These are in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed. Then there's a charging cable, which uses a micro USB interface. And the last thing happens to be a thick documentation. So you always know something is feature rich when the documentation is especially thick. Since we have the charging cable out, let's take a look at the length. This thing is about 30 to 35 centimeters long, and it's quite rigid. Documentation has a little note on the bottom stating that you should register to get your 2-year warranty. And it comes in multiple languages. It has all the features as well as the operating instructions for the same. Then you've got the case, which is not heavy, but feels quite rugged. It opens up and there's a little note covering the top surface. It's basically legalese. You can pull this off, and on the inside you can see the golden prongs where the actual earbuds go in. You can just drop these into place and close the case. Once you do close it, you can see a little green indicator at the bottom stating that it is fully charged. And right underneath it, there's a micro USB interface. That's where you use the charging cable to charge the device. And there are no buttons on it. There's also a little LED on the inside, as you saw, which when you open, you can identify the charging status. And that's it for the unboxing of the Jabra Elite 65T True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.